Hi guys, I'm Ronnie, and today I'm doing a downstream O2 sensor on a 2008 F-150. Here's the tools I need for the job. Okay, so step one, changing your O2 sensor, is eject the vehicle up. We're looking for a spot in the frame that's structural to the vehicle, strong place to jack, also a strong spot for each jack stand. Both O2 sensors are on this side, so it makes sense just to jack up this side and make some room. Strong location on either side of the jack. Went up as high as I could to give myself some extra room. I'm going to let this down gently on the stands. And I'm going to keep the jack in place just for safety. Alright, now I can locate my O2 sensor and get to work. I got the truck jacked up safely and securely. The truck is cooled down. You don't want to work on a hot vehicle, you could burn yourself. So I'm going to get going on this sensor. See where it's at, get it pulled out. The downstream sensor is as such. It's downstream from the catalytic converter. This particular one happens to be in the converter. See if I can get in here and unplug it. There we go. Not sure which tool will take you down here the easiest, but this doesn't look too bad. I'll give it a little bit of shot of penetrating oil real quick. Just a little bit. Some of these sensors are easy to get to, some are not. This one's not too bad, but it is very tight. Try it again. There we go. Took a little bit of force, but we got it pop loose. Now your O2 sensor is one of the most common reasons your check engine light comes on. AutoZone does have a fixed finder tool that can source the problem for you. We'll get this changed out and be running like new again. Alright, I've got my new sensor. Yes, I have anti-seize on the threads. There we go. That's good. Get my tool back up in there. Got it properly seated on the O2 sensor. We'll snug it up. We don't want to over tighten it. We don't want to strip any threads out. Okay. Alright, we're going to plug back in. We'll be good to go. And there we are. Downstream O2 sensor, 2008 F-150. Okay, so my next step is to go ahead and get the truck down from the jacks, take it for a ride, get to operating temperature, make sure the light stays off, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.